Changing the instruments on your Skoog. So in order to change the instruments, here's my Skoog, and I have a cello selected at the moment. There we go. Now to change the instrument sound, I need to go to the instrument selection panel, which is denoted by this trumpet icon here. So click that tab, brings this window forward, and I have a different icon for each of the different instruments. There we go, and simply click on an icon to change the sound. The instrument selection and the note selection are independent from each other. Change to marimba, something more percussive, and that's as easy as that. Now, the different instruments do have different kind of physical relationships with the Skoog interface, so the more percussive instruments respond better to percussive actions, and the more dynamic instruments respond more to squeezing and pressing or rubbing. So it's well worth exploring how the different instruments interact. And also it's important to know that each of the physically modelled instruments has a different twist-tilt function in terms of an extra expressive parameter. So here's the flute, and if I turn on the twist-tilt, I can get control of the embouchure by twisting the Skoog as well, or tilting it. And that gives me another expressive feature to play with, and that's different for each of the instruments. And that's how you change the instruments on the Skoog. Simply select an image to play. The Skoog will also do sampling and MIDI, but we'll deal with those in separate tutorials.